It's the Fifth Amendment that keeps America from being a third world country. And bear with me for a second on this, and let me explain. Basically, what happens is in other countries, if you're accused of a crime, they put you in a room, they put a spotlight on you, they surround you with 2, 3, 4 police officers that bark at you, and they decide whether you're innocent or whether you're guilty based on the look in your face. In America, we focus on evidence, and that's what the Fifth Amendment does, is it makes sure that we're focusing on the evidence and not you. And when I'm picking a jury, when I'm talking to a jury about that, and then we kind of bring it back to the courtroom, what you say is, look, Mrs. Jones, okay, let's say you and me are defending Joe over here, and we're talking about whether or not we want to testify in this case. Let's advise Joe to scream when he gets up and testifies, because loud people who are insistent, who bang the table, that's honest, and that's going to work with these 12 people, right? And probably Mrs. whoever is going to nod and say, no, that's stupid, and half the jury's going to go, yeah. And it's the Shakespeare line, I doth think he protest too much. Okay, so I say, all right, so we won't tell him to be too loud. Let's tell him to cry. If he gets up on the stand and he cries, then the jury will believe him, right? And then I get just as many people saying no. I'm like, okay, don't cry, because it's not going to work with this guy, and this guy. And don't scream, because it's not going to work with anybody else. How about he just, he has shake voice. That's how honest people are, aren't they? And then I get, everybody's shaking their head no. Well, what if he just looks right at you? Oh, now we're too prepared, right? So I got an idea here. This sounds like a bullshit game to me. I don't say bullshit in front of the jury, just on camera. But, why don't we just focus on the evidence? How about that? And fortunately for us, that's how all the rules are set up anyway. If the prosecution has enough evidence, if their case is airtight, if you can make the jury sure that this person is guilty, then they win. And that's how it should be anywhere. And that's what the Fifth Amendment is, and that's why it makes our system of justice as good as it is.